I know I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most.
So here's a story of a boy sick with ambition. Shit on since he was 12, put down, not a soul would listen. From ground zero transition, headline into some local spots. Jumped on the train and coasted till he composed his thoughts. Last stop on a one-way train, can't see the station sign. So stuck on the chore at hand to think what he left behind. And the rain whipped off his face, unknown to the part of town. No clue that the bigger change in his life was about to come around. And for his boys and his family, made sure he held them down. Never cared about traveling, touring, he always made them proud. No one's opinions or comments could ever make him down. I regret the choices and promises coming out his mouth.
I know I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most.
So he kept his friends that knew him before his alter ego, to help him read through the bullshit that he'd have to see through. But the endless studio times, photo shoots became the evils, and pulled him further and further away from all his equals. But still he balanced well, even when the kid was out of town. Jimmy like he never got out of bed, but still made sure his records sell. Still made sure that with all the hits and with all the chicks he never dwell. Crazy last year's t-shirts turned into three-piece suits with a black lapel. Presidential suites with homies screaming what the hell. It was just yesterday they wondered what they future held. In the train that he jumped on, with a backpack home from the poem to tell. Back that dream that a dope like he could do anything and everything he told himself.
I know I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most.
Yeah, young Sammy with a fantasy. Closed my eyes, took a path no one else had seen. Living the life I had before, there's nothing left to see. Onto the world to explore, free to breathe.
It took so